DJI Mavic 3 Pro Case by Lykus. Got that coming up next. Bill the Drone Reviewer here. If you like the content of this video or anything on my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you don't miss any future content. With that, let's begin. The DJI Mavic 3 Pro is in a class by itself. To me, it is the elite consumer drone. Now, in order to transport that elite consumer drone, you need a case every bit as elite. Enter the Lykus DJI Mavic 3 Pro case. We're going to go ahead and take a look at it and do an unboxing and a setup of the DJI Mavic 3 Pro in the Lykus case itself. So without any further ado, let's roll that clip in its entirety. Okay, we're going to unbox the DJI Mavic 3 Pro case by Lykus here. And it does come wrapped in plastic, and it takes a minute to get this out. Okay, we have that taken care of. Let's go ahead and take a look at it. By Lykus. There's the hinge back here. Looks very solid and secure. The sides and the top. Air relief valve. And the clasping system. Let's go ahead and open it up. And here's the instruction card that shows where to put the drone, the batteries, the controllers, the charger, and the cables. Now let's go ahead and get everything in the case itself. There's the battery charging hub, and that goes below the Mavic 3 Pro. Let's go ahead and get the Mavic 3 Pro in. It fits in very well. And there's slots for 4 batteries. I only have 3, but it is nice there is a port slot for an additional battery. And we're going to go ahead and get the 100-watt charging brick in. And here's the cable for it. It's a little snug in there, but it does fit. Get the 65-watt charger. We're going to take that as well. Some more cables. And then we're going to put the propellers in. Another USB cable. We're going to lay it below the controller. We're going to put the controller in. It will also fit a DJI RC Pro controller as well. So let's go ahead and close it up. Very secure. And an item of note, I really like how the drone sits below the foam line. That helps prevent damage to the props. All in all, a great case. Question of the day. What did you think of the DJI Mavic 3 Pro case by Lykus? Let me know in the comments section below. Thanks so much for watching, and remember, it's a great day to fly.